This is the maintenance dashboard, available in the Maintenance Manager login. From this screen, the manager can review all maintenance activities and take the required actions. At the top, you can see the number of newly registered complaints. You can also view how many requests are currently in progress. The dashboard shows how many complaints have been closed. It also highlights overdue complaints that require immediate attention. Each section is clickable. By selecting any tile, you can open the detailed list for that category. Below that, the analysis graph provides a clear view of the number of complaints reported versus the number of complaints closed. This helps the manager monitor performance and response time at a glance. There is also a detailed maintenance report available in the system. This report provides a clear view of every registered maintenance request. You can check the current status of each complaint, along with related details. This helps the management team review progress and track pending work in one place.